Today, we're bringing the world to you as we explore some of the most iconic museums across the globe. Best part? It's all free. So, get comfortable and let's dive into the world of art and history with these stunning virtual tours. Dive into an ocean of over 2,000 museums from around the world with Google Arts and Culture. From the ancient halls of the British Museum to the vibrant canvases at the Van Gogh Museum, this platform brings you an unrivaled cultural experience. Explore artworks in high definition and learn about their historical context through expert insights right on your screen. Now, let's virtually fly to Paris and step into the Louvre, the home of the Mona Lisa. With their meticulously crafted virtual tours, you can explore everything from Egyptian antiquities to Renaissance masterpieces. The detailed annotations provide rich historical narratives that bring each artifact to life. Back in the US, the Smithsonian invites you to a virtual tour that's as educational as it is thrilling. Whether you're passionate about the age of dinosaurs, ancient biology, or cultural artifacts, there's something here to spark your curiosity. Experience the awe of the Vatican without the crowds. Their virtual tour offers a serene view of Michelangelo's masterpieces and Raphael's stunning frescoes. Take your time admiring the divine details in complete tranquility. Next stop, New York City's Metropolitan Museum of Art. Wander virtually from one gallery to another, exploring 5,000 years of human creativity. Each piece is accompanied by audio guides narrated by experts and sometimes by celebrities, enriching your visit with fascinating stories and facts. Amsterdam's Rijksmuseum awaits with a digital journey through the Dutch Golden Age. Discover the intricate details in the works of Vermeer, Rembrandt, and more, with the ability to zoom in closer than you ever could in person. For our tech-savvy and science-loving seniors, NASA offers more than just a glimpse into the cosmos. Explore interactive modules that explain the intricacies of space missions and even take you inside command centers and labs. Float through the corridors of Florence's Uffizi Gallary, where the Renaissance spirits of Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo linger. The detailed virtual tour not only showcases the art, but also tells the stories of the artists and their era. Our final stop is the Musee D'orsay in Paris, where you can virtually stroll through galleries filled with the masterpieces of Monet, Degas, and Van Gogh. Enjoy the Impressionist and Post-Impressionist works that revolutionize the art world, accompanied by soothing background music to enhance your virtual visit. I hope you found today's virtual tour as enriching and inspiring as a real museum visit. Which museum's virtual tour did you enjoy the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures.